thanks so much for checking again. I'm Lex Ferrante and this is DiyAF. If this is your first time to my channel, thank you so much for coming. Check that subscribe button below. I share lots of tips on decorating your home, easy home crafts, and easy DIYs about your health, fitness, and skincare. Today what we're gonna do is we're gonna do a easy DIY all natural skincare mask. It's made from just 4 simple ingredients, really affordable, and they're all things that you could easily find, and it's gonna brighten and beautify your skin. So these are the 4 ingredients you're going to need for this. We're gonna be doing a turmeric, Manuka Honey, brightening skin mask. So first ingredient is this Manuka Honey. I got it at Whole Foods. It's a little pricey, but it's so worth it. It has so many benefits. Manuka Honey is known to help heal acne, any scarring, fight skin infections, it cleans pores while it naturally exfoliates. It's gonna help your skin retain moisture and just give you like a radiance and a softness that your skin didn't have. Honey is also naturally antibacterial, anti-inflammatory, antifungal, and super high in antioxidants. So it's well worth it. I use it even for my dog with hot spots. I swear by this stuff. Next up is turmeric. I have half a teaspoon of turmeric ground up. Turmeric reduces redness, it treats breakouts, it helps with age spots, reduces any scarring or hyperpigmentation you have. It's also going to help heal psoriasis or any eczema if you have issues with those. And lastly, it'll brighten and tone and also has anti-inflammatory benefits. This back here is some rolled oats that I actually ran through a food processor to make it more of a flour consistency. So oats are super moisturizing, and then just because of its consistency, it's gonna help exfoliate your skin as well. And lastly, I picked a lemon off my tree right now. So lemon is super high in vitamin C, which is super important for brightening. It's also antibacterial, and it's gonna help clear out breakouts or serve as a natural exfoliant to bring out that radiance as well. So I'm just gonna mix all the ingredients together. I'm gonna put it into the little bowl where the honey is. So just to verify, it is 1 tablespoon of the Manuka Honey. And again, I got that at Whole Foods. I'm gonna pour half a teaspoon of turmeric into it. And then again, this is natural rolled oats that I ran through a food processor. There's 3 tablespoons here. I ground it down so it's like a, much smoother of a consistency. Not like flour, but it's gonna give you a little bit of an exfoliant. So let's put that in there. And then the juice of half a lemon, organic, because I just picked it off my own tree. There we go, and we're just gonna mix that up until it's the same consistency throughout. You are gonna wanna do this in an area probably over a sink because turmeric is actually going to stain. So it's going to leave a little bit of a yellow color. You wanna wear a dark shirt or lay out something over you so you don't get it on yourself and ruin the shirt that you're using. There we go, so it's a nice consistency right there. Looks delicious. So first up, you're gonna wanna put your hair up and get it out of your face. So let's get that up and out of the way. And I'm gonna wanna put a headband on to keep any little short hairs out of the mask. Especially if you have light colored hair, like I said, the turmeric is going to stain. So if you are blonde, you wanna be very careful to keep your hair out of your face. You're gonna wanna remove any makeup you have. I use this, micellar water. You can get it at like Target or CVS or anything like that. It's super affordable and it removes lots of makeup and any residue that's on your skin. I swear by it. And my skin's actually really sensitive, so I can't normally use like any astringents or toners because they'll dry me out and like make my skin crack and peel around my nose. Okay, all clean. Next, we're just gonna take it and we're just gonna paint it on. Ugh, it smells really bad, by the way. Just not pretty. But here we go. And again, like I said, I have a towel underneath me on the floor, but it's messy because of the oats. And it's like a watery consistency. Oh, this looks wonderful. How much would you have to get paid to try this? Oh, I just dropped between my boobs. So I'm gonna put it, really focus it under my eyes right here because that's where I want like that brightening. And that's what this is supposed to be good for. So as you can see, it's not a beautiful look, but it's amazing and it's gonna be so worth looking like this. So I'm gonna let it rest for 15-20 minutes before I rinse it off. Guys, if it starts to sting or burn, immediately wash it off. You don't want to irritate your skin in any way. So I got an idea. While I'm waiting for this to dry, I'm gonna go try and scare the dog with this. Let's go. All right, so I have let it dry for 20 minutes. It doesn't really get crusty, I think, because of the honey. So I just let it sit and timed it. We're gonna rinse it off. I love these mask little remover sponges. You can get them at Target. They're made by Eco Tools. They're super, super easy to remove masks. So let's take it off. And just get them all soaked up and wipe off the mask with them. So it's all rinsed off. My skin feels amazing. I highly recommend that mask. It was super easy and really, really affordable. Again, I'm Lex Ferrante, guys. That was another episode of DiyAF. If this is your first time to my channel, thank you so much for coming in. Give my video a thumbs up and subscribe if you like what I share. I post videos weekly on easy DIYs that you can implement. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I'll catch you next time.